Today, I'm going to show you how you can help your students transition from using Unifix cubes to base 10 blocks. You know that in this unit, we are building numbers up to 120. And as we build those bigger numbers, putting together all these 10s and building 100 out of Unifix cubes is going to take a long time and it's going to take a lot of blocks. Probably you don't have enough blocks for that. So we need to talk about how to transition our students to the use of base 10 blocks. It is not as simple as picking up the Unifix cubes and replacing it with the base 10 blocks and assuming that students are going to understand that if this is a 1, this is a 1. If this is 10, this is also 10. The 1 transition is usually pretty easy, right? So we're going to just move that out of the way. But this transition right here, students understanding that this is 10 and this is also 10 is actually a very difficult concept for students. So to make this transition, you actually want to show them both models side by side and ask the students what they notice about the two models. What is the same and what is different? And you want the students to be able to understand that this 10 right here is actually 10 units. So you can even put the units beside so that they grasp that understanding. Sorry. That this is the same amount. This is 10, and so is this. Just as they can break this apart, the students cannot break apart this 10 rod, so you're going to have to teach them how to make a trade instead of breaking it apart. So we just want you to be aware that the transition is a big deal and that you need to take time to truly make sure that students, even though they may say this is a 10, make sure to ask them how they know it's a 10 or explain why it's a 10.